Summer is fast approaching, and despite everything, I'm sure you will still want cold drinks on those hot summer days. One way to ensure you keep those beers and drinks cold is to purchase a high-quality outdoor freezer for your outdoor kitchen setup. Outdoor freezers are great for adding extra storage, camping trips, outdoor barbecues, and even for use as an everyday appliance in alternative homes such as van homes, tiny homes, boats, and RVs. It is without a doubt that you don't only want the best freezer, but you want an outdoor freezer on a budget. We've got you covered. What is the best outdoor freezer? The Midea WHS 109 FW1 Upright Freezer. This upright freezer stands out as the best because it is made from the finest Whisper technology, as well as offers many adjustable features. Having adjustable features in these modern times is a huge plus. With this freezer, you can easily adjust the thermostat, the legs, and even the door is reversible. This freezer is a well-built appliance that will suit any user, offering a wide variety of uses. We've researched and discovered the 8 top-rated outdoor freezers. Coming in at number 1. The Midea WHS 109 FW1 Upright Freezer. One of the very best freezers on the market is the Midea WHS 109 FW1 Upright Freezer. This unique and compact device will serve excellently for anyone seeking extra freezer storage space or just need a freezer for events or a small business. This upright freezer measures width 19.72 inches, depth 21.26 inches, and height 33.86 inches. The capacity for the unit stands at 3.0 cubic feet. When it comes to temperature control, the freezer unit comes with the ability to manually adjust the thermostat. It also has a reversible door that can be opened from the left or the right. This feature is especially important if you're pressed for space. With a reversible door, this will work out well for food trucks or anyone who wishes to place it in a vehicle setting. This freezer is uniquely made, and rest assured you will not have to dig to the bottom to find your items. The unit has 2 shelves for storage as well as wire drawers. Both storage elements work together to offer more than enough space within the unit without appearing bulky. Although fit for outdoors, this freezer still offers the very best in noise control technology. In fact, the unit is made with Whisper Quiet compressors that work to deliver excellent service with little to no noise. Therefore, if you plan to store this freezer within your garage or bedroom, you will not have any noise issues. As an added bonus, you can expect this unit to come with a full 1-year warranty. Hence, this freezer has been listed as the best overall. Now for the pros. Offers the very best in noise control technology. Reversible doors that open from left or right. Excellent storage capacity and will fit in small spaces. The cons? None to mention. Coming in at number 2. The Northair Compact Chest Freezer 3.5 cubic foot freestanding top door freezer. Offering a capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, the Northair Compact Chest Freezer is nothing short of remarkable. This unit is a freestanding top door freezer, meaning that it opens from the top, unlike the freezer we just looked at. This freezer is much like your standard chest freezer, however it's built smaller and with the ability to operate in small spaces. As perhaps the best chest freezer, this unit stands at 21.18 inches in length, 21.77 inches in width, and 31.94 inches in height. With such height and capacity, you'll be able to store a good amount of food and drink items within the freezer. It also comes with a basket made from pure copper wire. The basket is able to slide from side to side, allowing you to access the items below it. However, similar to other chest freezers, small items may get lost at the bottom. Try to utilize the basket as much as possible, and also intentionally pack this chest with bigger items at the bottom. At the top of the freezer, you will find a quiet opening freezer door with balanced hinges. The door is able to be opened from 45 to 90-degree angles. It also offers hands-free use. Within the freezer, you will find excellent storage space and an easy-to-clean interior. At the base of the freezer, you'll find a bottom drain that works well when it comes time to defrost. Added to this, the unit provides noise-free service, being that it's made with a whisper-quiet compressor. Now for some pros. Offers excellent storage capacity, noise-free, and fits in small spaces. How about a con? Small items may get lost at the bottom of the chest. Now coming in at number 3, the Winter CUF 210SS Energy Star 2.1 cubic foot upright freezer stainless steel. Well rated by Energy Star, this freezer is well made, and that is no surprise. Winter is a popular brand within the appliance industry, and they often offer the best outdoor freezer on a budget. If you're looking for an extra small and compact unit, then the Winter CUF 210SS Energy Star 2.1 cubic foot upright freezer is definitely the one to go with. As stated, this unit has a capacity of 2.1 cubic feet. The unit is the perfect apartment-sized freezer, not only because of its measurements, which are 17.5 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 27.5 inches high, but also because of its low energy pull. The unit is a freestanding upright freezer with a front-opening stainless steel door. As the best compact freezer, or one of, you can expect this unit to have 3 storage shelves. 2 of the shelves are made from wire and are able to slide in and out of the freezer. The last shelf is the base of the fridge that can be used for storage. Here, you'll be able to store basic things such as ice cream, frozen foods, up to meats and seafood. You can also expect this unit to operate quietly. Now for some pros. It's small and compact. Great storage capacity for such a small size, and Energy Star rated. Now for the con. It doesn't have a storage basket. Looking to learn more about the outdoor freezers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, the Winter FM45G 45-quart portable refrigerator AC 110-volt DC 12-volt True Freezer. The Winter 45-quart portable refrigerator is a 2-in-1 refrigerator freezer. This freezer is not only lightweight but offers excellent storage space and capacity. With the FM45G, you will be able to store meats, ice cream, and frozen foods within the freezer compartment while simultaneously keeping your drinks and fresh fruits cold. The freezer offers a 45-quart capacity, which translates to about 60 cans. If you're planning a camping trip or get-together with your family, then this outdoor fridge freezer will hold you over for your weekend trip. In terms of powering the freezer, you're able to use this freezer on your home or vehicle power system since it offers AC or DC power. The measurements on the Winter FM45G are as follows. Height 20.5 inches, length 16.5 inches, and width 23.5 inches. With this unit, excess noise will not be a concern as it offers the best and quiet technology. In this package for this fridge freezer, you can expect to find an insulated lid and walls, one 8-foot AC power cord, one 10-foot DC power cord, and 2 removable wire baskets. Now for some pros. It doubles as a refrigerator and freezer, has a dual power system AC and DC, and is noise-free. How about a con? Maybe too big for certain vehicles or spaces. Coming in at number 5, the Costway Chest Freezer 63-quart compressor travel car freezer. If you're looking for an appliance to use while you're on the go or staying overnight in different areas, then the Costway Chest Freezer fits that bill. As one of the best compact freezers offered by Costway, this unit stands at 24.5 inches in length, 20 inches in width, and 22 inches in height. The unit offers 63-quart capacity or 2.1 cubic feet. The unit is a multi-use appliance, allowing the user to convert it from being a refrigerator to a freezer. With its lightweight design, the unit is great for long or short trips on the road. It may also work well as the main fridge freezer unit in tiny homes, boats, van units, and many others. As one of the more expensive portable freezers on this list, This outdoor deep freezer lives up to the cost. It offers a unique fast freeze technology that uses compressor cooling technology, which allows you to cool items between 0.4 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in no time. With the package, you can expect to receive a removable basket, 2 metal handles on both sides, an LCD display, and battery protection technology. In terms of power, this noiseless Costway travel freezer works with 110-volt AC power or 12-volt DC power, like your automotive battery. Now for the pros. Allows for easy setup and fast cooling. Offers great storage capacity and completely noiseless. Now for the con. The design often appears bulky. Coming in at number 6. The Midea WHS-185C1 single-door chest freezer. Definitely one of the most spacious on the list, this Midea WHS-185C1 single-door chest freezer offers a massive 5.0 cubic foot capacity. As the best chest freezer made by Midea, this unit offers a dimension of 28.46 inches in width, 20.59 inches in height, and 33.46 inches in length. As one of the bigger units, this freezer will work best for those who have more space. While the storage capacity is massive, you will also require enough ground space. One great feature that makes this unit compact is the top opening door. Although it may be hard to find small items should they get lost, a top opening door will ensure that the freezer does not take up more space than necessary. At the top of the unit, the door is held by hinges that allow for 45 to 75 degree angle opening door. In terms of temperature control, the unit offers a mechanically adjustable thermostat. With this unit, you can expect quiet operation as it's made with the finest of Whisper Quiet technology. Now for those pros. Made with Whisper Quiet technology. The door opens from 45 to 75 degree angle and massive storage space. How about a con? Small items may get lost in the chest. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor freezer. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now, coming in at number 7, the Northair Chest Freezer 5.0 cubic foot with removable basket freestanding top open door freezer. Featuring a capacity of 150 quarts, we have the Northair Chest Freezer 5.0 cubic foot. This unit is much smaller than the Northair unit mentioned before, however it does offer some unique features. The measurements on this unit are as follows: 36.8 inches in height, 29.7 inches in length, and 23.2 inches in width. The size of this unit is pretty compact for the storage capacity which it offers. You may also realize that you'll need more height space than ground space. That being said, this deep freezer will fit in apartments and other home types. It will also be quiet in operation, so there's no need to worry about that aspect. With such a spacious unit, you will definitely be able to store months of meats, frozen food, fruits, or whatever you wish to store. For smaller items, there are 3 removable baskets that come with the unit. The baskets are not fixed, so they can be easily moved from side to side. In terms of temperature control, you will find an adjustable thermostat on the outside body of the freezer. An added unique feature in this unit is the door handle. It is only a small inset, however it allows for easy opening. Another great feature is the balanced hinge on which the door is held. This hinge style allows the freezer door to be open from 45 to a 90 degree angle. You'll also like the fact that you can open the unit and use it hands-free. This unit is also made from environmentally friendly technology and is energy saving. With your purchase, you will receive a 1-year warranty. Now for some pros. It is noise-free, has a large storage capacity, and the hands-free door with a handle. How about a con? Items may get lost in the chest. And now, coming in at number 8, the Arctic King 7 cubic foot chest freezer. As the biggest unit on the list, it may be hard to believe that this is one of the best compact freezers on the list as well. The Arctic King 7 cubic foot chest freezer may often be considered as a cheap deep freezer. This unit opens and closes like your standard deep freezer from the top. Unlike upright freezers, storage for these units is often hard to access. Despite this unit is one of the best for those looking for massive storage from a smallish unit. In terms of measurement, the unit stands at 20.6 inches in length, 37.2 inches in width, and 33.5 inches in height. Perfect for small business owners looking to store meats or drinks, the unit allows for temperature control by offering an adjustable thermostat. Within the unit, you can expect to find a solid interior that's easy to clean. You will also find a basket that can be used for storing and organizing small items. At the bottom of the unit, you will find a drain plug that works wonders when it comes time to defrost. Defrosting can usually get messy. However, with the drain, it will be easy to control the water flow that's expected from a good defrost. The unit will also operate with little to no noise. Now for some pros. It has massive storage capacity, a compact and lightweight design, an affordable, or you may even say cheap, deep freezer. How about a con? It requires more space than the others. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on buying an outdoor freezer. Many freezers these days are built to satisfy the modern-day customers. When it concerns buying the top-rated outdoor freezer that is available on the market today, we understand it may be stressful. Use the advice and reviews given in this video to guide your decision. Once you've weighed the pros and cons of each of the 8 outdoor freezers on this list, you should be all set in choosing the unit that is right for you. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite outdoor freezer. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.